Hello and welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Canvas Creator. Canvas Creator is a visual scripting tool for Unity 3D that allows you to create and animate your user interface elements such as text, images, sliders, and others. As you can see, I have my Canvas Creator opened and I have just created all the different types of events and effects that are available in the tool at the moment. So events are at the top, and events are nodes that do some sort of action upon the UI element, and effects are used in combination with those nodes to enhance them and customize them to your needs. In this tutorial we're going to be creating a simple splash screen. So in order to create my splash screen, I want it to fade in, sort of scale up, and then start scaling down as it's fading out. And we can do just that. So I will need 4 nodes for 2 different types of scales: scale up, scale down, and fade in and fade out. Let's first select an image and give it a name. Okay, and let's get started. So first things first, we want to scale our image by 100 on both axes, and I want to control, I actually don't want any delay, but I do want to control the duration of the scaling. So what will be the duration will be duration in seconds. Let's say it'll start scaling in half a second. Now we'll just do the fading in. So we want our target alpha to be 1. It's between 0 and 1. And I can just change this effective duration because I want to control that. And I want to say that it will fade in over 1 second. So it'll change its alpha to 1 over a period of 1 second with no delay. So now we want to have now we want to have our splash image scale down after a certain delay. So our duration will be, our delay will be 3 seconds and our duration will be 1 second. And to scale down, it will be essentially to change the scale of both axes with a negative sign. So we do it as simply as that, and then lastly we want to fade out our splash screen when it's done. Target alpha is 0, duration of 1 second, and lastly I just need to add a delay. So, and the way we want to do our delay, it'll start scaling down after 3 seconds. So let's say after 3.5 seconds, oops, sorry, wrong field. After 3.5 seconds it'll start fading out. Now all we need to do is just create, and there we have our splash screen prefab. So if we simply drag and drop it, and now I've got some images I want for my splash screen already done in here. Just put them in. And now because I want my splash screen to fade in, I just changed the initial alpha to 0. Now let's test it. Yep, exactly as we wanted. So it fades in. Let me play it again. Fades in over 1 second, scales up, scales down, and fades out. Now, the great thing about Canvas Creator is that the prefabs that you create, you can actually apply to a variety of things. So I'll just drag and drop and the same prefab that we used. And now I want to have another sort of part of my splash screen, which is Canvas Creator demo text, but I want it to play the same animation except 1 second later, well, sort of 1 second after the splash screen demo. And luckily, Canvas Creator allows you to modify each of your effects after you had created your prefab. So if you decide to change something, or you want to use the same prefab for multiple UI elements, it's as easy as just changing a couple of variables. So all we need to do is to put a delay. So this is our fading in. Put a delay of 1. And then this is our scaling up, and put the delay of 1.5. Now change the alpha down to 0. Hit play. And as easy as that, we created exactly what we want. So the first text comes up first, and then followed by the bottom part after 1 second. And then both of them at the same time start scaling down and fading out. And we used just one prefab for that, and it didn't take any coding at all. And it's as simple as connecting a couple of notes together. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will find this visual scripting tool useful.